Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I tell you what, I think this video has changed about 3 times today. I keep running out of time to do the proper prep on it. So guys, I've got about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. They were frozen, they're mostly thawed now. And I'm gonna get them here on the Weber Kettle, and we're gonna get a little smoke on them, just grill them off, make some good tasty grilled chicken wings. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. We've got some wind today, so I hope that ain't interfering with the camera. Alright guys, I'm not even going to add an oil to this. I think there's enough dampness here that I'm not going to have to worry about it. I am going to come in here with some St. Elmo steak seasoning. I believe I've used this on wings before. I'm not 100% sure. But it's excellent seasoning, and we're going to get these wings all covered. I think it's going to stick just fine. Guys, we're going to get all these covered, and once that grill comes up to temp, we can dump that charcoal, get these guys on here, get some smoke on there. I think I'm going to use some mesquite smoke on these. I think that'll go well. Alright guys, I think we're starting getting a little ashen over here on top. This is actually a mixture of both new and used charcoal. Don't like to waste charcoal around here. Alright, looking good. Get this heated up. Okay, let's get this on here. Yes, I know I'm using my hands, but I'd rather wash my hands right now than the tongs. So, I'm gonna get them on here, and I'm gonna get a little smoke on them before I grill them. Perfect. Alright guys, I want some smoke on here, but not a whole lot, so I'm just gonna come in here and throw one piece of, this is mesquite wood. I love mesquite wood on chicken wings. We'll check back in maybe 15 minutes or so. Alright guys, we've been right at 15 minutes. I'm just going to give these guys a flip. Thing looks good, get some good little color on there. We're gonna let these go another, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna start just grilling them off. We still got a little bit of that wood chunk left, but I'm gonna throw one more little bitty piece on there. That is mesquite wood again. Alright guys, let's get this going over here. Some of these are going to go faster than others. We're going to be flipping a lot. Checking a lot of temperatures. There we go guys. We'll be back in just a few minutes to get these flipping. Yeah, let's get in here. Definitely get some good char on these. We're going to check some temps here after this next round. Our target temp, and a lot of this is just my opinion folks, I shoot for 185 internal. Ooh, I probably should have waited for a minute on that one. That one was not ready to be flipped yet. 185, I think it gives you a good char on the skin, and still leave some juices in the chicken. I know a lot of guys try to get it on up around 200. Not me. I sometimes accidentally get up there, but. Alright guys, we'll be back in a minute and we'll get some temps on these guys. Alright guys, I bet you we're pretty close. If nothing else, I can move some of these out and put some of the ones on the outside in. Oh yeah. The ones on the middle, I guarantee it. Get some temps on these. Oop, get off the bone. That one's definitely coming back. A lot of these are done, but I bet some of these on the outside need a minute or so. Yep, oh, tell you what, no we don't either. Guys, these are coming off. A couple of them. Need to stay on a minute or two. I'm going to move a lot of these indirect and I'm going to finish these off, guys. Alright guys, I think we are there. Definitely. Let's pull these guys, let's go inside and see how good we did. Man, if you just had smell-o-vision, I tell you what. Let's get a bite of that. Let me get Mama fed. And we'll come back and get a bite of that one right there. Alright guys, it smells very mesquite in here. Is that even a term? It smells mesquite? It smells like mesquite. Get a bite of that. This is my favorite way to do wings, officially. Get a little smoke on them and then grill them off. That is so good, guys. I'm gonna get a little, my traditional ranch. I know I do a lot of wings for you. It's kind of in a crunch tonight. Been busy, life's been a little crazy. In a good way, I'm not complaining. It's all good. It got away from me today and I couldn't do everything I wanted to do. I was actually gonna do a marinade on these, but I just ran out of time. Tasting these, I'm almost glad I ran out of time, because that is good. Guys, thank you so much. Mesquite wood on wings. That, if you can come run across this in your area, St. Elmo's Steakhouse seasoning. Yeah, steak seasoning, but try it on wings, guys. Trust me on that. Delicious. Guys, thank you so much. Having a blast doing these videos for you, and I'll do them as long as you're still watching them. Hit that like button for me. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.